back with another video. And this video, it looks a little different. Got my bonnet on, starting today. And I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year. I already posted my first Vlogmas video, but I do want to add a few little vlogs in there, some clips or something, just to make it more personal for Vlogmas. I cannot get it out, y'all. So I just wanted to stop in and say, hey, that you guys see me in my morning dew. I'm going to show you guys actually how it looks outside. It is December 1st, officially the first day of December, and this is what is going on in my area. So let me show you guys. I'm going to go this way, and then I'm just going to show you out the window if I can flip this. All right, guys, there it is. Look at all the snow. We actually have a winter advisory in our area up until Wednesday. And today is Tuesday. It started on Monday. So that is what we're dealing with, guys. I think I'm going to be trying to go in store, but I kind of wanted to see what was online. I'm hearing that some people were able to order as early as like 4:30 this morning. And y'all, look, y'all, technical difficulties. Can't even get in the website because everybody on. Wow. All right, let me go back. I knew that was going to be a disaster. All right, let's try it again, y'all. See if we can get on. See what happened. Because it looked like online might be crashing or having some problems now. Let's try again. Come on, Bath and Body Works. It ain't doing nothing, y'all. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, wait, what's going on here? Let's see if it's going to let us in, y'all. Why is that blue? Did I do something? Oh, I must have did something. I'm a clicker, y'all. You be like, stop clicking. Oh, guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to get in here. Yeah, it's not even letting me get in right now. So I'm sure everybody's trying to get on. I'll keep trying, guys. If I get on, I will come back and let you know. Sanitizer on. This is the Victoria's Secret one, and it is Mandarin Peach. So gotta put that on after I get gas. All right, guys, sanitized. So let's go. to the sale. I think it wouldn't have been as many people since they had it yesterday, but I guess other people got to work like I did. But there's people walking in, y'all. See them? They running in. I hope you there. I can see. All right, so let me get my butt in here before they get whatever is left. There ain't too many people in here to where I gotta wait the second go around to get in the store. I want to be one of the first sets, hopefully. So let's see. So this is the damage. I went in there and lost my mind, y'all. I went way over what I wanted to get. Way over. Oh, boy. In the car, it is 7:12, and I got way too many candles, y'all. I feel like I did worse this year with the 3-day candle day sale than I did with the 1-day candle sale, which is normally more exciting, and I'm normally like grab. So I don't know why I got so many this time. I think a lot of it was a candle that I seen that I was excited about that I got multiples. Well, actually 2 of them that I was excited about that I got multiples of, and I think that might be what put me over the edge. So we're gonna go home, survey, do a candle haul, see how we feel, see if we like and love everything, and then we will go from there, guys. Thank you so much for coming shopping with me at Bath and Body Works. The Goody Squad, stand up. I am done now. I am tired. Again, it is 7:12 in the morning. It is 38 degrees out here. It's 38, but it's not like freezing cold. I'm not sure why. There is still like nobody out pretty much. When I left the store, there was no line, and I heard the lady say there's only 20 people in here, so you can let whoever in. So it kind of died down. I think it wasn't as bad because, of course, yesterday was candle day as well. And y'all, I missed my Mary cookie. It sold out yesterday. My favorite candle, Mary cookie, sold out yesterday, but that is okay because I got some other gourmand scents that I am sure you guys will like and that I will love. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.